Welcome back to our new series where I'm going to go in depth of our new Z Automotive Tazers. Here I have my JL Mini and we have the 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL to show you it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start up the vehicle. The first thing you're going to do is press this left arrow and the cruise control cancel button. Now you can see that light show has popped up. So we have now opened our Tazer menu. Now you continue holding the left arrow and you hit cancel to switch through. Now you're going to hold down the left arrow and select cancel to scroll through the menu. Okay. Now that we're in live settings, you're going to press down your left arrow and cruise control to get into it. And to scroll through this again, you're going to do left arrow and cancel. Now we're going to stop at set pin. Now that we're in set pin, you're going to hold down your left arrow and you're going to press your cruise control. Okay, for this pin, to make it easy, we're going to do set plus 4 times. Now, once you have your pin set, you're going to press down left arrow and hit your cruise again. And your pin should be saved. To test this, we're going to turn off the vehicle and turn it back on. Now, once your vehicle is started, it should give you a chance to enter your PIN. So we're going to press our set plus 4 times. And you should be ready to drive. So we've now moved locations, and I'm going to show you what it would look like if someone hopped in your vehicle and tried to take it without putting the PIN in. I'm going to put it into drive. And it stops immediately because I have not entered my PIN. Okay, and now you're going to see all these lights flashing indicating your anti-theft lock is on. And this is what it looks like from the outside perspective. Okay, now we're going to show you how to reset and erase your PIN. Okay, so put in your PIN. And now you're going to do your left arrow and your cancel. And you are going to go all the way to live settings. You're going to click your left arrow and your cruise, and then you're going to do left arrow and cancel to scroll through until you get to your PIN. Okay, and then to select it, left arrow and cruise, and it should say PIN clear. Now we're going to turn off the vehicle and turn it back on to show you that it's been cleared. So you should be able to go ahead and put it into all of your gears and nothing should pop up. Thanks for watching our Z Automotive Tazer video. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to like and subscribe.